Hi everyone, welcome to Happy Teeth Learning Tutorials, and today we'll learn about cloud computing, which is the buzzword in the industry today. So what is cloud computing? Before starting, let's quickly have a look at the agenda for covering all the topics. What is cloud computing? What are the different types of cloud services? Why do we need cloud computing? What are the benefits of using cloud computing? The different types of computing services available, which is IaaS, SaaS and PaaS. We'll look all of those. Coming to the first, what is a cloud? Let us understand the definition of a cloud. Where does it came from? So the cloud refers to the servers that are accessed over the internet and the software and the databases that run on those servers. Cloud servers are located in the data centers all over the world. By using cloud computing, users and companies do not have to manage physical servers themselves or run software applications on their own. Instead, the idea enables users to share a virtual computing experience as a whole, which came about in 1963 with MIT developments for the first virtual machine, also known as the computer. Alright, now, so we understood what is a cloud. Now let us understand what is cloud computing. As per the word, cloud computing, as per the definition, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So you only need to pay for what you are using, services you are using. Other than that, the rest, the services which you are not consuming, you do not need to pay. So instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage and databases on as need basis from a cloud provider like AWS, GCP or Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud and Oracle Cloud these days. Alright, now let us understand where is cloud computing used. So a lot of organizations of every type, size, industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as for backup, for disaster recovery, for email, for virtual desktop software development, testing, big data analytics and performing customer facing web applications. So you can take an example of a real life scenario wherein the healthcare providers are using the AI and the sensor technologies to detect the underlying diseases. Similarly, the banking and the financial institutions are using the cloud provider to detect the real-time fraud detection and prevention using the face recognition technology and the authentication and authorization technologies to log into a particular user account. And then the video game providers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. Taking an instance for a Google Cloud database and storage services. So Google provides us relational databases as well as non-SQL databases. So the examples are Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, Cloud Spanner, Firestore and Bigtable. These are a couple of services provided by the GCP platform. We'll discuss them more in detail later. Now, talking about the types of cloud. So we have three types of cloud: public, private and hybrid cloud. Public, as per the name, access entirely through the internet. Private is in-source or outsourced data center. And hybrid is a combination of both public and private, wherein you can keep few services as available to all the users and few services only with respect to your confidential private usage. Next is types of cloud models. So we have a couple of cloud models: on-premises, IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. So on-premise is the existing data model wherein before the cloud era or before the cloud computing happened, all applications were being all services being handled by the customer itself or the organization itself, like application runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization server and storage. Now, with the advent of cloud computing and the services, first let's discuss about SaaS. So software as a service is the best service being provided, is the best model to be selected, as everything from initial applications to the runtime to the OS to the virtualization to the server to the storage, everything is being taken care by the cloud provider. Now, talking as a second model, which is PaaS, which is platform as a service, wherein the customer needs to take care of the application which they are using, customizing their connections and the runtime and the performance of their application only, and the rest of the applications are being taken by their cloud provider, such as OS, virtualization, server, storage and networking. Now, talking about the IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, 50% of the applications are taken care by the cloud and 50% are taken care by the customer. So the services taken care by the cloud are virtualization, servers, storage and networking, and the rest of the applications such as operating system, middleware, and the application